Everything in the market was going fine. Stocks, crypto, everything. But suddenly, the Nasdaq crashed 3.5%. That is almost 820 points down. Even Dow Jones fell 2.5%. And Bitcoin dropped from 1,25,000 to 1,10,000. That is nearly 10% in a day. Now the question is, what just happened? It all started with China. On October 9, China added 5 rare earth elements to its export control list. So basically restricting materials that are used in EVs, semiconductors and defense technology. That means prices will rise globally and supply will drop. The next day, Donald Trump jumped in. He threatened to impose a 100% tariff on Chinese goods. And the moment he said that, market crashed. Now think about it. If tariffs go up, US inflation shoots up and the America is already facing a government shutdown. No spending bills, also no proper economic data is coming out. So investors panicked and started moving their money into a safe asset, that is like gold and silver, which is already rising very fast. Now here's the scary part. If China fully blocks those exports, companies like Tesla, Apple and chip makers will suffer badly. Less material means less production, ultimately less profit and the stock prices will fall. Now what about India? Our markets were closed when this happened, but Gift Nifty fell around 1% after the news. So on Monday we might see a small dip, maybe half to 1%. But overall pressure will be there because China's restriction, Trump's tariff threat, rising gold prices and the huge US debt all pointing towards volatility. So if you are investing, go slow. Don't put all your money at once. If you trade, do it very carefully, no over leverage. So if you are doing SIPs, please continue and do not stop. You need to play safe and smart because global market right now is literally walking on the thin ice.